दूसरा एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन जो सभी एक्सपोर्टर्स के लिए अभी है वो कि जीएसटी में क्रेडिट 2017 से बहुत लोगों के पेंडिंग है और जीएसटी के अंदर भी आईजीएसटी के अंदर एक्सपोर्ट हम करें या तो हम एलयूटी लाइसेंस लेके एक्सपोर्ट करें तो इसमें भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन है और डिबेट होते रहते हैं। तो आप एक्सपर्ट हैं एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट ऑडिटिंग्स के अलावा के बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स है उसके अंदर ईओ यूनिट्स भी है, तो आपका क्या सजेशन है उसके अंदर?
This is the pain that you raise. A point is GST refund, because this refund blocks our working capital as well, and the refund amount is very high, being it's 18% in case of an export in many of the commodities generally. Yes, because when the government introduced the GST, the refund filing was manual system is there. Right now, the total system of filing the refund application is automated, and in case of an export with the payment of duty, you will your bill of export will be mapped with the IceGate, and automatically refund will be processed to your accounts within 2 or 3 days. So this system has now been automated. But for the GST refunds application file before it becomes an automation system, it in many cases it is pending because the governments are facing issues and there was no time lag. So it is better to be with your consultant in a continuous touch and update and to get the things resolved, right? So this will help to resolve your issues and be free hands for your working capital. In case of automation of this refund application, now once you file your GSTR 3B returns and GSTR 1 you file a returns where you have to show your export invoices in table 6A, it will automatically link up with your IceGate, and IceGate will map the data with the GST, and refund will automatically be credited to your bank account. So in that case, you are not required to make any refund application. It is totally automated process. So on any export, if you have any pending refunds after the automation, just a mail or raise a query with the concerned person. They will be able to sort it out as soon as possible. Second question was
LUT or IGST,
which is a beneficial. LUT is a beneficial for export or without the payment of with a payment of duty. So both are the cases valid in a case. But for example, if your input is in high value, right? So if you export without LUT, you have to claim a refund of your input credit, right? For that, you have to file the refund applications, which is right now automations. But yes, it's still application is automated, but still application and document submission is a part. Some part is still a manual. You have to approach to the concerned person and have to deal with the things, right? But say for an example, if you export without taking and without LUT and after payment of the duty, so you are not required to pay a duty by cash. Whatever credit lying in your balance, you can utilize it. You can pay a duty. The system will automatically map your credit with the IceGate and automatically be refunded to your bank account. So in this case, you are not required to separately follow up for the purpose of a refund of duty. You can file with the payment of the duty. So that helps to get your refund as soon as possible. And the time lag is even within a week of filing of the GSTR1, you will get your refund. So it's a procedural aspect that we should take call on it.
Okay. I think that is a very nice suggestion because उसमें बहुत सारा कैपिटल भी ब्लॉक हो जाता है और अनयूटिलाइज्ड क्रेडिट भी ऐसे ही पड़ा रहता है without any using it.
This is particularly for the export of the goods. Export of the services, still we have to file manual applications for that.
Okay.
Export of the goods, because for export of the goods we have a bill of export which has been mapped with the IceGate. Once you file your GSTR 1 table 6A, so automatically duty will be credited to your accounts.
Yes.
No any manual intervention is there. So system is totally automated.
और अभी how much time approx it takes to get the refunds these days?
So it's around week or maybe a week after the filing of your returns that will get sorted.
Wow. Okay.